Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Teachable for creating online courses, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with Teachable, first, visit the Teachable website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. After signing up, verify your email and log in to your new account. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, where you can start creating your course. Click on the Courses tab on the left sidebar. Then, select the New Course button to begin building your course. Provide a catchy title for your course to attract students. Next, add a course subtitle to give more context about what students will learn. Set a price for your course. You can choose between free, monthly subscriptions, or one-time payments. After setting the price, click Create Course to move to the course editor. In the course editor, you'll see sections for the curriculum, settings, and design. Start by adding your curriculum by clicking on the Curriculum tab. Click on Add Content to include lectures, quizzes, and assignments. Make sure to organize your content into sections or modules for easy navigation. For each lecture, you can upload video, audio, written materials, or links to external resources. Once you've added content, move on to the Settings tab. Here, you can configure course details like SEO settings, course image, and promotional video. To enhance your course visibility, consider adding promotional features. Use the Design tab to customize the look and feel of your course landing page. Choose a theme, adjust colors, and upload your logo to create a professional appearance. Once everything is set, preview the course to ensure that all content is organized and looks good. After finalizing, hit the Publish button to make your course live. Promote your course using social media or your own website. Monitor student feedback and engagement through the Analytics dashboard on Teachable. Make updates and improvements based on feedback to enhance the learning experience. Regularly engage with your students through announcements or discussion forums. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.